Chapter 1. Definition, Meaning, Nature, Scope, Importance of Political Science. First, Introduction. In ancient Greek, polis first, or the city-state, was the most popular and the general form of political organization. Every polis or city-state had its own form of government, administration, management, etc. And all these did not depend upon the size of the polis or city state. Thus, politics means the political affairs or administration of police. Thus, politics is understood to denote something about the police or the city state. In today's world, there is practically no existence of the city state, but the term politics derived from the Polish has gained publicity, and importance nowadays. By politics, we generally means the activities associated with the governance of a country or area. We thus cannot separate the term politics from the affairs of the state, and thus, therefore, sorry, associate with the administration and decision of the state. Politics in this way has been inextricably connected with the state as it was in ancient Greece with the police. First definition of political science. Political science is a branch of the social science that studies the state policy of politics and government. Political science deals extensively with the analysis of the political system, the theoretical and the practical application to public, and the examination of the political behavior. The Greek thinker Aristotle defined political science as a study of the state. Many political scientists view themselves as a being engaged in fleshing out the connections between political event and the conditions, and why the understanding they hope to construct a system of general principle that posits the way the world of political works. Political science is a social science which deals with the system of the governance and the analysis of the political activities, political thoughts, and political behavior. It deals extensively with the theory and the practice of the politics, which is commonly thought of as a determining of the distribution of power and resources. Political science is not only the study of government and the state, but also it is the application of empirical theory and the scientist method to analyze of the political matters. David had view political science is a different way. In his opinion, political science is a practical activity about the discourses, struggles over organization of human possibilities. And in this scene, the political science can be treated as a study of power, the concept of the power related to the capacity of the social agent an institution. In the definition, we find three components of political science. Political science related to the political activity, to power, to capacity of the various agent and organization. Hence, any definition of the political science must encompass all these components. Another definition of the political science is that it is the study of activities of corporation and negotiation and struggle over the use, production, and distribution of resources. This definition highlights another very vital aspect of the political science. There are various types of resources available in any society. The production and distribution of these resources are to be proceeded by the definite policy on the part of the government or authority, corporation, among various agents involved in the production and distribution of resources. Harold Laswell has defined political science as the following words. He called political science an empirical science, as an empirical discipline as the study of the shaping and sharing of the power, and a political act as one performed in power perspective. The central idea of the definition is that political science and empirical science, if so, the subject is chiefly concerned with the shaping and sharing of power. Political science as a social science deals with the corporation and conflict, and the latter also mean that whenever these arises a conflict, the authority takes a step for it settlement, and no settlement of any conflict is possible without power. Hence, we can define political science as an empirical discipline dealing with the shaping and sharing of power. Loswell's belief that the political science is a study of power exercised by the state or agencies authorized by state. Raphael defines political science in the following manner: the political science deals with the behavior of the group and the individual in matter that are likely to affect the course of the government. He says that the function and policies, voting behavior of a person related between the government and the people, each etc., are generally subject of matter of political science. WJM Magnesi has defined political science in the light of the power. He say political science is about power, about legitimate authority, about the reconciliation of interest. Political science is also concerned with the legitimate use of violence and also monopoly authority over the power and the use of violence. David Ashton say political science is described as a study of authoritative allocation of value for a society. The point to note is that this particular definition is quite different from the old definition. This meaning of the three concepts are to be inquired, and they are the policies, authority, and society. Only the authority allocate or can allocate a value, and for the purpose it adopt policies, value are allocated for society. Second meaning of the political science: political science seen as themselves engaged in revealing the relationship underlying political event and conditions, and from the relevation with they attempt to construct a general principle about the way of the world of political works. Political science, occasionally called the politology, comprise a numerical subfield including comparative politics, political economy, international relation, political theory, public administration, public policy, and public methodology. Furthermore, political science is related to the draw upon the field economic law, sociology, history, philosophy, geography, psychology, psychiatry, and anthropology. Comparative politics is a science of the comparison and teaching of the different types of constitution, political actors, legislature, and associated field, all of them from the intra-state perspective. International relation deals with the interaction between nation state as well as intergovernmental and the transnation translation organization. Political theory is more concerned with the contributor of the various classes and contemporary thinkers and philosophers. Political science is a methodology diverse and appropriate many methods originating some in social researches approaches including positivism, interpositivism, rational choices theory, behaviorism, structuralism, post-structuralism, realism, institutionalism, and pluralism. Political science as a one of the social science uses method and technique that relate to the kind of inquiry thought primarily sources such as historical document and official record, secondary source such as the scholarly journal, article, survey, research, statistical analysis, case studies, experimental research, and model building. We just learn about some words. Positum. Positum is a philosophy theory stated that certain knowledge is based on the nature of phenomena and their properties and relation. Thus, the interformulation of derived from sensory experience, interpreted through the reason and logic, form the exclusive source of the all certain knowledge. The theory that law and their operation drive validity from the fact of the having been interacted by the authority or of driving logically from existing decision rather than for any moral consideration. Example that the rule is unjust. Interpretism is one of the form of the qualitative methodology. Interpretation relies upon the both a trained research and the human subject as an instrument to measure some phenomena, and typically involved both observation and interview. Interpretation is a study of society in the macro level based into focus of individualism so that they are can obtain detailed information. Structuralism is a methodology that implies element of the human culture must be understood by the way their relationship between the broader overarching system or structure. It work on to uncover the structure that underlying all the things that human do think and perceive and feel. Post structuralism by the either constitutional or rejection of all the intellectual project they perceived it. Structuralism realism was an artistic artistic movement that emerged in France in 1840s. Around 1848 revolution, realistic rejected the Romanism, which had dominated French literature and art since the early 19th century. Third, the nature of political science. If we study various definitions given above, we shall come across the several features of various aspects of the nature of political science, and some stated below. A. The definition or idea of political science is flexible or changing to the traditional thinking. Political science was a study of a state and government. Today, the definition is not confirmed within a limited sphere of a few notion. B. Subject is a variable, virtually defined and included many notions. The idea of the political science encompasses numerous aspects of the political behavior of individualism, group, associated agent, etc. Even the element of international relation have found their place in the definition of analysis of politics. Through some, the political science is a broad concept and change its concept with the change of time. Controversy is a very important element of the politics and science. Politics means the existence of issue. Gaining it means the existence of controversy. It is argued that where there are issues must be controversy. Issue can never homogeneous and heterogeneously of issue of creation and atmosphere of the debate, and in the way politics cannot be separated from the controversy. It is a quote Westby, where no controversy exists, where no issue are being debated. Politics does not exist. The controversy pervaded to all sections of society as well as the all sort of the group, institution, individual, organism, etc. DJDV Miller emphasizes the disagreement nature of the politics. It is true that the controversy nature politics indicated a disagreement among the opinions, issues, and the explanation. When there is disagreement among individual, organization, institution, group, controversy, or debate is bound to be crop up. The point to the note is that according to the Miller, disagreement is the true nature of the politics. It is very difficult to think of politics which does not envisage any type of disagreement. Because of this agreement, it is observed there arise struggle among the actor of politics. Miller also said that if there was disagreement among the individual, group, or the organization, political action or activities could not get any scope to emerge. It will be misconception if we think that controversy or disagreement is the exclusive feature of the politics. In the arena of politics, there is no place of argument or consensus. Person, organization, and the group debate among them and themselves on any political issue, but at the same time they arrive agreed terms or solution. In the absence of agreement, functioning of society or the existence of social life would have been impossible. To sum up the politics and characteristic by the agreement by the sorry have been impossibility to sum up the politics is characterized by the both the agreement and the conflict. It also deals with the resolution. Finally, political science, in fact, is a manifestation of the civilized and ordered society. In such a society, people are endowed with reason, and because of the quality, there arises a disagreement, and there are also procedures for the resolution of the conflict or disagreement. Now these two disagreement and the resolution of it generate an atmosphere of politics guided by the reason. Individuals do not want to continue the disagreement and they start to find way of the settlement. It is generally regarded as politics. Chapter 4 Scope of the political science. Now the interesting fact in the various scholars and political scientists have made the sincere attempt to view its scope and the respective angles and perspective, resulting in wide variation in the treatment of the scope. The scope of political science is a vast, and experts have divided this field of political science into five subdisciplines. They are that are the political theory, public administration, comparative politics, international relation, and the public law. It is need to be noted that these disciplines cover the entire gamut of the modern political economy and provided the basis of the study and the understanding of how the global politics economy works. The study of the matter concerning the allocation and distribution as well as transfer of power is one of the main preoccupation of the political scientist. The success or otherwise of the governance structure is guided by the political scientists who examine the multifaceted and the multi-layered factor at the work that contribute to good or the bad governance. The scope of the political scientist has now been broadened to include realm of the study of the democratic elections across the world. In the other word, with the explosion in the political system, all over the world, political scientists and their scope of the study has been considerable and enhanced. Political science is the most important branch of the social science, and it is the chief concern is with the public behavior, political behavior of the individual group or the individual agencies, institution, organization. Uh, at all since all these subject to the change, they are changing continuously. The subject of matter political science is bound to the change, so also the scope of political science. A re-owned author has analyzed the scope of the political science from five different angles, and these are the political as a art of the government, politics as a public affairs, politics as a compromise, and the conscious political embrace all social activities, politics as a power and distribution of resources. But this categorization of the scope of political science cannot be treated as final, because the emergence of the new phenomena and situation will impact the decision making process of the government. The government govern the relation with attitude of the people toward the politics, and the government people's ideas about the function of the state. No serious thinkers can neglect all these issues. Wider analysis, politics, or the 2 or 3 decades ago, even a wild birth political scientists paid little thought of the attention to globalization and the neoliberalization. But today, these the two concepts have covered a significant portion of the subject. While analyzing the scope of the must be noted in topic number 4.1, politics as an art of government. The general opinion is that the politics is an art of the art, and the art is closely related to the management of the government. According to the Aristotle, polity is a type of the social organization and also a political organization where the political authority were exercised by a large number of people whose main concern to achieve general welfare. Researchers have found in ancient Greece politics took to place in those days. Politics means the management and administration of polity. It is also said that the in Greece city stated that there are direct democracy, but in all affairs, people were not found to be direct involved in the functioning of the state. Politics are practiced among a small number of men. In the process of the final decision, only few and expert participated. Scholars have to come to know this from the history of the Western political thought. Politics mean the adaptation of the decision, enact of the law, their implementation, administration of the justice, etc. The participation, but the politician, government servant, and the some other people who were interested in the political affairs. These acts were combined called politics. The Greek tradition passed that through ages, and in this way, the politics has been come to know as the art of government. In recent decades, politics is as an art of government are undergoes considerable change, because in fact of the fact that the management and the administration of the society alone is not only the player. Numerous social political organizations also play a crucial part, and this has been necessitated by the growing complex characteristic of the society. Naturally, the scope of the politics is as an art of the government has to be considered extend enhanced. Not only this, into the scope politics is included certain negative aspect of the society. For example, in many part of the world, particularly in the state of the third world, criminalization of the politics is the assuming alarming dimension, and in this arena, no government can sit idly. A government worthy of its name must devise means to tackle this development, and ultimately that come to be part of art of government. And it may be noted that Italian philosopher Machiavelli legitimated that corruption, degradation of politics, and internecine war among the different provision of Italy was the chief factor of the backwardness of Italy and failure of Italy to be influenced by the Renaissance, which overwhelmingly influenced other part of the Europe. So his advice to the prince ultimately came to be part of the politics and as an art of the government. His advice to the prince has produced a plethora of question, had created an atmosphere of heated controversy, but the fact still remains the Machiavelli opinion can logically be treated as a politics is an art of government. Topic number 4.2, politics as a public affairs. The scope of the politics as an art of the government is a very narrow in the modern time. The politics is treated as with a very broader outlook and it seems primarily as a public affair. Its chief concern is to meet a demand of the public affairs. The advocate of this conception prefer to divide the affair of the society into two broad categories, public and private. The business of the politics is to maintain various types of public affairs, and for the purpose it enact law, implement them, and when necessary apply physical force. The conception lead us to make the distinctive in the social affairs between public and private. The state at the higher political organization is concerned with the public affairs, but that does not mean that it does not see any interest in the private affair. It must see the private affairs and their management do not affect the general interest of the community. The association of the politics of the political organization of the state was the first brought out light by the famous Greek philosopher Aristotle. He believed that the purpose of the politics is to ensure good life and set up the just society. This is purely an ethical standpoint, and the Aristotle viewed political in that light. Failure of the politics to achieve this will degrade its position and status. This is that is why he always insisted that politics must always try up to its citizen good and virtuous. This function of the politicus is noble, and for the reason he called the politic a master of the science. It is necessary to draw a line between the public and the private affairs. Public affairs generally means the affair of various governments or governmental organs such as the three arms of government, the police, the army, and the numerous security arrangement. If we closely look at the picture, politics, we shall find that the state or the government is quite busy with all these department or agencies. Any fruitful study of the politics cannot ignore all the above noted aspects. These are the no doubt the function of the behavior of the all noted the organization and changing with the change of the time and attitude of the man. But the fact remains the involvement of the state public organization with them has not gone out of the sight. Now we shall see why politics is regarded as a management of the public affairs. Beside public affairs, there are number of affairs which may call the private, and these activities of the various social, public, and the cultural group, businesses, organization, club, pressure group, etc. All these private organizations constitute what we call the civil society, and Bond Bruke called the civil society as a little Platon's. Within the huge structure of the political organization, the activities of the state are restricted to the politics, commerce, security, and foreign affairs, whereas the function of the civil society relate to the family and the different private affairs. The division of the between the political organization, which is called the state, and the civil society, is never watertight for a sake of general interest and the greater welfare of the community. The authority of the state were often inferred with the function of management of the civil society. This has come to an important aspect that falls within the jurisdiction of the state. Thus, politics deals with the matter of the civil society. Marx and his followers have the specifically dealt with the relation between the civil society and the state. It is found in Marxist literature that capitalist ruler of the state always tried to control the agencies of the civil society by the means of influencing art, literature, history, law, and other things which generally belong to the civil society. This is a Marxist conception. Politics is much as a broader idea. Nihilism of the 18th of the last century have strongly argued in the favor of the curtailment of the function and the power of the state, enhance and the same civil society, and the sole purpose of the giving more freedom of the individual. Viewed from this angle, it may be observed that accordingly to the new liberal politics came be a restricted conception Topic number 4.3: Politics as a compromise and the consensus. Particular aspect of the politics is seen as a very important because in any state there are inhabited different individuals within the geographical area of the state. There are many institutions. There are many institutions, agencies and the organization. Sometimes the purposes of the re-encounter to those of the state, and this give rise to the conflict. In this every state there are organizations whose function to resolve any conflict. Apparently it should not be concerned of the state but ultimately and its settlement all the sort of the dispute from the crucial part of the political science. Because of this purpose the state is to form law. It takes the step for their implementation. Any political analysis effective deal with the conflict and their resolve. In this the way the state play a role of the comparisons, compromisers, dispute, and these their settlement do not form the core of any political analysis. Because of the few politics as a simply manifestation of the conflict is wrong is also bounded and duty of any authority to see the cooperative among the individual and institutions came to be silent feature. To arrive at the political organization must create a communal atmosphere. This is no doubt an uphill task, but the state cannot deny its responsibility. However, when the state adopt the scheme ensure an atmosphere of the corporation, this become a part of the political science. Cooperation among the citizens may create a peaceful situation, and conflict may not be frequently even after the dispute may exist. In it the duty of the state authority to find out a compromise formula or to help the parties to dispute the arrive the consensus. For topic number 4.4: Politics embrace all social activities. Over one very interesting feature of the modern day politics is to quite opposite force of that angled the study of the subject. One group believe that the state is a true consolidating of its citizen interest and welfare, and hence the state should perform those activities which will encourage ensure the above objectives. The opinion of the other group with the role of the state should be minimal, performing the essential services. The state should leave all the other activities to the responsibility of the individual. Adrian Lift, which in the his is politics the activities and studies, he said that we if we scrutinize various political activities and the role of the state, and we shall find that everyone the positive and even crucial role of the political organization will be found. In other words, state is at the center of all activities which are termed political. These activities may be private or public, formal or informal. All these categories do not matter at all. What matter most is the state is present everywhere. He shape politics is at the heart of the collection of social activities today. If we took at all the aspect of the state, we shall come across the fact that the state is present everywhere. The opposite picture of the new liberalism want to restrict the state activity to a minimum function. However, such attitude has not been universally acclaimed, and the result state partially embraced all sort of the social activity. Topic number 4.5: Politics is viewed in terms of the power and distribution of resources. Power is always at the heart of the whatever the state perform. We have earlier noted that the important lies in the ensuring cooperation among the men, institution, organization, etc. It also settle the dispute and the tries to arrive at consensus. Needless to say that the power remains at the very center of these activities. There are number of exponent of this concept. The most renowned of them are the Harold Laswell and Kelpen. Both the viewed politics in the term of power. Laswell's famous book Politics, who gets what, when, how, once created ripples in the academic world of the political science. Without power, decision and policy cannot be properly implemented. The resources of any societies are the scarce, and for their proper distribution, it is essential that the distribution authority must have power. However, to have However, to have a power does not mean that it will be used in discrimination. It may be used judicially and rationally. Politics encompass both these aspects of the use of power. In discriminate, the ruthless use of power lies at the center of the dictatorate from form of the government and rational application characteristic of the government democracy. Marxists, however, see power on the idea of the vigorous politics through this Marxist view has been contested by the many. There is no doubt that in capitalist state, power run through the all stages griefully. This is called the power approach in the to politics. It means the power is the center part of the politics, and the state unable to do even the minimum of the normal function without power. Not the only this, if the state want to play the role of the compromisers of the instrument of public affairs or the weapon for the settlement to of dispute, the application of power is essential. So we may the sake of the debate disagree and Laswell's or the Kaplan's, but we cannot deny the importance of the power. Topic number 5: important of the political science. The importance of the political science lie in the fact that all the us living with the political system, and then we are affected by the changes in the global political economy. With the advent of the globalization, there has been concordance rise in the interest taken by the people of the world in understanding the political system of other countries. Hence, political scientists become very valued and important as they provided the lens through which we can understand the global political economy. There are many universal universities that provide the guide and the higher level degree in the interest of political science as the field of the study. There are the many takers for these courses. Conclusion: the state of the nature was neither a political or nor civilized one. Muscle power and the physical force were the way or the freely used by the member of the state of the nature for the settlement of the dispute. The state of the nature was a state of the war. Some people wanted to do things, and why didn't of the muscle power they didn't it. Hardly there is a one any piece of the politics is a monolithic society, because such a society is characterized by the complete agreement among the members of the society on the various issues which crop up from the time to time. Viewed from the angle of can be concluded that the three great construalists, Hockey, Locke, and Rousseau, may be called at the introduction of the concept of the politics, because all these three thinkers started the political analysis with the state of the nature. This view, however, is continued by many. So here our chapter is completed. So thank you for listening.